Apple's Vision Pro has been labeled a game changer, a revolutionary device ready to change the way we experience the digital world. But is everything about this device as perfect as it seems? Or is there a dark side lurking beneath the surface? Stick around because what we uncover might make you think twice before jumping on the hype. This is Apple Vision Pro, a device promising to redefine the boundaries between reality and the digital world. With features like spatial computing, immersive AR experiences, and real-time interaction, it's clear that Apple has taken a leap forward in wearable tech. But is this cutting-edge technology all it's cracked up to be? The hype is real. Vision Pro has been praised for its innovation, but here's the thing, no product is perfect. Beneath the surface, there are concerns that Apple may not be talking about. First, let's talk about privacy. With Vision Pro's ability to track eye movements, spatial surroundings, and even facial expression, it raises questions about how much data is being collected and stored. How secure is this data? What happens if it gets into the wrong hands? Apple claims that user privacy is a top priority, but the stakes are higher than ever with a device this powerful. Another concern, prolonged use. As we spend more time in immersive AR experiences, how does this affect our vision, our brain, and overall health? Early users have reported eye strain and headaches after extended sessions with Vision Pro. Is Apple pushing boundaries too far without considering the long-term health impacts? And let's not forget about the cost. At $3,500, this device is out of reach for many. Does this price tag make it an exclusive luxury rather than a product for the masses? Is Vision Pro truly a revolution for everyone or just for those who can afford to pay for it? Apple Vision Pro is undeniably a marvel of technology, but like any innovation, it comes with its own set of challenges. From privacy concerns to health impacts and the steep price tag, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before diving in. So, what do you think? Is Vision Pro the future, or does its dark side make it a questionable investment? If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, and let us know in the comments, are you buying the Vision Pro or are you holding back? Thanks for watching.